have built this table with pallet wood and also a used tabletop. In order to get cozy around this table, I think it deserves its own matching stool. So the plan now is to build 4 stools that we can sit around this table, and when it's not in use, we can store it here. So the plan is that the measurements that we have is it's a total length of 100 centimeters and height is 50 centimeters. So if we are going to build 4 stools, it is 100 divided by 2. For each stool, maximum height 50 centimeters times 25 centimeters. Or we can do that. Let's do it! So I have this wood that has been sitting on my shelves for ages. So they're collected from pallet, from bed frames. So we're going to use them to build our stools today. And check out this grain. Okay, we've cut everything into sizes, sanded them down smooth, so they are now ready for assembly. We're going to build 6 legs for the stools. The construction is rather straightforward, but since it's repetitive work, I have made a very simple jig so that we can save some time and have the consistent measurement and shape over and over again. The plan is to drill a hole with the drill press, and then we're going to glue them up and interlock them with some self-tapping screws. So it's actually a very simple construction. Let's do it!